I should probably start this vlog by saying good morning. It's 5 AM when I woke up. A few minutes passed by and I just sit here and started wondering if I can release one more video by the end of the day. I don't know what the video is gonna be, but I just wanna create something. It's not just about the challenge to make 4 videos by the end of November, but it's more about myself, my bloody fucking ego. I can't lose. See, I always had this thought in my mind to take the camera out, not plan anything, just go out, get creative and start shooting stuff. But with a really busy schedule and very poor time management skills, I never got a chance to do that. But today, I guess I'll be doing that. And I'll show you a bit of campus. I mean, not the main building, not the places which I usually flex about in my other videos, but the things which I take for granted, the small little things in life. I know I've talked about this a couple of times in my previous videos, but lockdown had a great impact on me. It was a complete emotional roller coaster. Initially, when I got to know the semester is gonna be cancelled, I got excited. I was happy, I guess. I know I'm stupid, but it's fine. And then when I went home, started doing stuff, I was happy for a while, but at the back of my mind I knew that I was missing my college life. So I always wanted to come back to campus. I was doing good at home, parents are really supportive and all, but I assumed if I be in college I could do better. I can do better at everything that I'm doing. So as soon as I got a chance, I rushed back to campus. And I'm here now, but the things aren't the same and probably would never be. I assumed I could be more productive, but it's difficult to quit the chill sessions with your friends and sit in your room and edit videos. So what I want you to take away from this video is that you'll never know how the things are going to be in the future. More like the grass is greener on the other side, with the other side being future here and campus in my case. So stop tying your work with some external factor. Just get the things done right now, because all we have got is that now. And I'd like to thank Unacademy for sponsoring this video. So there is this new badge by Unacademy called Unacademy Super 20, where top 500 rankers stand a chance to attend a 2-day in-person bootcamp. So you'll get to meet top rankers and educators of IIT JEE, and you can get one-on-one guidance from them. So the actual mock test for the bootcamp is going to start on 3rd of December, but the practice test for the mock test is going to happen today, which is 30th of November. And the top 20 rankers in the test also get 100% scholarship. There is this IIT JEE mega offer which is currently running, where if you buy 18 months of Plus or Iconic subscription, you'll get 3 months extra extension for free. And if you buy 6 months of Iconic subscription, you'll get 1 month extension for free. And along with this, All Stars Crash Course 3.0 batch for class 11th is going to start on 1st of December. And all the links are in the description. You can use my code Tharun10 if you'd like to support my work. And I'll see you very soon. Bye-bye.
Yo, microphone check, make it a microphone check. Give it a microphone, I make it a microphone dead. Don't step to me, newbie, I could truly be moody. I could have played the fucking Grinch in the movies. I've been a